Welcome to San Francisco. If you just landed at SFO and need to get to downtown, the easiest and most affordable way is by taking BART. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to take BART from SFO to downtown San Francisco. Let's get started. To get to BART, follow the signs for AirTrain inside the terminal. Take the escalator up to the AirTrain platform. Check out the AirTrain map for directions. There are two AirTrain lines, the blue line and the red line. Both go to the BART stop, but the blue line also goes to the rental car center and long-term parking, while the red line circles the terminals. You can take either line to reach the BART station. Be sure to pay attention to your location on the AirTrain so you don't accidentally miss the Garage G BART stop and end up heading towards the rental car center or long-term parking instead. For this video, we'll take the red line train. Once you get off at the BART stop, follow the signs for BART. You'll find the entrance easily with clear signs along the way. To ride BART, you'll need a Clipper card. You can buy one at the BART ticket machines. Watch my video on how to purchase a Clipper card for a quick guide. Prices are posted, so you can load your Clipper card based on your travel needs. After purchasing your Clipper card, tap it at the gates to enter. Board the Yellow Line train heading towards San Francisco. It's that easy. For more San Francisco travel tips, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.